Here's an interesting car. 1961 Chevrolet Belair. As you can see, four-door sedan, flat top. Kind of like the roof line on these cars. We'll take a little closer look at that when we get around to the back. Underneath the hood, powered by a 283 Chevrolet V8 engine that is paired up with a automatic transmission, a turbo 350 automatic to be exact. Now, as far as color of this car, you see white top, twilight turquoise. That's what this would have been called back in '61, and that was the original colors of this car, white and twilight turquoise. So still sitting very similar to the way this would have came from Chevrolet. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see the engine bay, check out the interior, underside, trunk, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us too, 507-386-1726. One of the things that has changed on this since it would have came from Chevy is it has been lowered 3 inches. It does have HEI ignition in it also, so points have been taken out. Dual exhaust. Let you get a good look at the chrome on the front and the bright work and the grille. There are a few little spots down below I'll kind of point out, especially when I get around to the other side, where there is a little bubbling and what have you. But this is one you could drive just the way it is. Have some fun, get into the classic car hobby without spending a ton of cash like you would on SS Impalas or higher end cars. Still have as much fun going to your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. This vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Yeah, isn't that a cool roof line in the back there? This car does have a clean title. And again, still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. Be able to see the trunk, the underside, interior. Check it all out. We're going to look at the interior a little closer here shortly. And we'll start this up so you can hear it run. Nice, smooth running vehicle. It does have an aftermarket stereo that's put in it. That does work. Wipers work. Also has had a CB added. That did power up for me. And there is an antenna in the trunk that you could put on, which is a magnetic one, of course. Now, a few little spots. Point that out right by the bright work or the trim piece on the side, and then down along the rears here do have a little bit of touch up where you can see where there's been a little bit of bubbling. Not terrible, but do want to point it out so you know that it's there. Again, drive it the way it is or have some fun. Like to do work on your own, take it to the next level. All right, let's check out this interior. Cloth and vinyl combination, has that seat belts added. And you'll be able to see front and rear picture shots all in the stills. Probably close to 100 pictures of this car online, I would guess. Cool looking interior. Considering it's a '61 Belair, let's go ahead and fire it up here. See how easily it starts. Nice smooth running 283. It did appear that the gas gauge worked and went up. And again, mentioned CB. This will power up also right here. And stereo does work. Do not have it tuned into a station, but I did have it working. Wipers also. All right, slip around to the back so you can hear this thing run. And we'll take a look underneath the hood. The doors close nicely. Nothing crazy as far as exhaust or a wild cam or anything in the engine. Just a nice sounding car. It's got a nice look to it, the stance to it. And that being lowered 3 inches definitely helps. All right, I'm going to pause this a second. Let's pop the hood. Take a look under there.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
All right, here we go. The car was recently remanufactured, so that's been gone through. Again, turbo 350 automatic transmission paired up with the 283. You see the fluid dipstick for that tranny. As I said, sounds good. Listen to what you don't hear. You don't hear any motor noise, exhaust leaks, anything like that. Smooth running engine. There you go, looking for kind of a cool sedan. How about a 1961 Chevrolet four-door sedan flat top Belair model? Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. We can assist with transportation. This vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.